Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. In previous videos, you have learned Urdu alphabets and their half shapes. Now, in this video, you are going to learn about another important letter, and that is Do Chashmi Hay. Do Chashmi Hay is used to write in many words in Urdu language. That's why it is very important to learn how to write it. Over here, we will focus on how to write Do Chashmi Hai and the alphabets with which this is used. And why this is called Do Chashmi Hai? Because look, this letter has like the shape of two eyes. Two eyes, okay? And eye is chasham in Urdu or in Arabic language. That's why this is called Do Chashmi Hai. Now let's get started. First, look closely how to write and how to make this shape of the chashmi hai. This is exactly like the shape of two eye. Okay, you will start from here, upward and downward, and then you will make the shape of an eye like this. Then you will drag the same line, and then you will drag it upward. You will join it with the centered line, and then you will drag it downward. Right? In this way, you will write Do Chashmi Hai. Now we will learn that Do Chashmi Hai is used with which letters, because Do Chashmi Hai is not used with all of the Urdu alphabets. Okay, there are just few Urdu alphabets that Do Chashmi Hai is used with. So we will learn that with which Urdu alphabets Do Chashmi Hai is used. The first Urdu alphabet that Do Chashmi Hai is used, that is Be. Okay, with Be Do Chashmi Hai is used, and when these two letters are joined together, Be and Do Chashmi Hai, how it will be written? Over here, you have written just Do Chashmi Hai, but now we have to join these two letters together. So for joining these two letters together, we will write the half shape of Be, and then we will join Do Chashmi Hai with the half shape of Be. Look, the half shape of Be will be written over here, will be written like this, just by dragging a small line. Okay, this is the half shape of Be, and with the help of this line, now we will join Do Chashmi Hai. Look, exactly we will write Do Chashmi Hai like this, like you have written in independent form. Okay, but this small line that is coming out, this is the half shape of Be. That's why we will put one dot underneath, because this is the half shape of Be. And now when Be is joined with Do Chashmi Hai, Be gives the sound B. Okay, when B and Do Chashmi Hai are joined together, it will give the sound Bh. Bh. Okay, like when you say bhalu, bhalu is bear, bear in Urdu. You write bhalu with Do Chashmi Hai and with the help of Be. Okay, so Do Chashmi Hai is necessary to learn because this is used with many words. Our next letter that Do Chashmi Hai is used with, that is Pe. You write full shape like this, three dots underneath. This is Pe, and it gives the sound P. When Do Chashmi Hai will be joined with this, again in the same way, we will drag a small line, and then we will make the shape of Do Chashmi Hai in this way. And this time you will put three dots underneath, because now you are joining Pe with Do Chashmi Hai. Now this is P and Do Chashmi Hai. Hai gives the sound H, and this is P. P and H, when these two letters are joined together, you pronounce H. H. For example, when you say pool, pool is flower in Urdu. Okay, when you write pool, pool is written with these two letters. Okay, gradually we will learn how to write pool, how to write bhalu, when we will join the other Urdu alphabets with each other. But right now we are just focusing on Do Chashmi Hai. After Be, the next letter that Do Chashmi Hai is used with, that is T. Okay, with T, Do Chashmi Hai is used, and when these two letters are joined together, again a line and Do Chashmi Hai, Now two dots are on the top. This is th, like thak jana. For example, when someone is tired, he or she says, मैं थक गई हूँ or मैं थक गया हूँ. So to write thak, you write with the help of these two letters first. The next Urdu alphabet that दोचशमी है is used with that is te. Te. This way you write full shape of te and then you write दोचशमी है. Now we will join these two alphabets together. Again the straight line slash type and you will make दोचशमी है. And this time what will you put? This symbol on the top. This is th. When te or ta is joined with दोचशमी है, we pronounce th. Th. Like thanda. If anything is very cold or if anything is cold, we say thanda or thandi. So it means cold. The next letter that दोचशमी है is used with, that is jim. How to write jim? This is full form or full shape of jim with दोचशमी है. And now we have to join these two alphabets together. Look closely. What is the half shape of jim? Because when you join letters together, you write or you use half shape of the alphabets. That's why we will write half shape of jim. In previous videos, you have learned the half shapes. So half shape is up till here. You will put one dot underneath and then you will join दोचशमी है with this. This line is already there. We will just make two shape of I and now this is jh, jh, jh. For example, you say jhoot. Jhoot is a lie, lie. A lie is jhoot. Jhoot, when you write jhoot, you write like this, right? Okay, dear students, our next Urdu alphabet is J. J, okay? J is written like this, three dots inside दोचशमी है, and now we will join these two letters together in the same way like you have joined jim with दोचशमी है. This is the half shape of J, three dots underneath, and then you will join दोचशमी है with this, like this. Okay. When दोचशमी है is joined with ch, it gives the sound ch, ch. For example, when you say chhatri, chhatri is umbrella. Okay, chhatri is umbrella. When you write chhatri, you use these two letters together. The next alphabet is dal. Dal, दोचशमी है is used with dal also. And this is, dal gives the sound the and her. When the and her, these two letters are joined together, it gives the sound the. But one more thing is, keep to remember that the is after dal, we cannot join any letter. Okay, there are some letters in Urdu alphabets that we cannot join any other letter after those. Okay, it means that after dal we cannot join any letter. That's why दोचशमी है is written on its own. It will not be joined with dal, right? But we will pronounce it together like the and her. It gives a sound the, like dhona. Dhona is to wash something. So dhona is written with these letters. Next one is dal or the, this symbol on the top, then दोचशमी है. Again, this is the like same family, dal and dal. That's why you cannot join दोचशमी है after dal. It will be written on its own, but it will be pronounced together. How you will pronounce these two letters together? Dh, dh. Okay, dh. For example, when you say dhakkan, dhakkan means lid of something. When you write dhakkan, you use these two letters together. Okay. The next one is r. दोचशमी है is used with r. Okay. Again, the and R family or R family, these are two families that you cannot join any letter after these. It means that R will be written on its own and the Chashmi Hai will be written on its own. But you will pronounce these together like R, R. For example, a word is padhna, padhna. Padhna means to read something. So when you write padhna, you use this r and h. Now just two more Urdu alphabets are there that Do Chashmi Hay is used with. Second last is kaf. This kaf with kash. Then Do Chashmi Hay. And now we will join these two letters together. This time we can join kaf with Do Chashmi Hai because after kaf we can join any letter. But we will use half shape of kaf and then we will join Do Chashmi Hai with this and we will pronounce it like kh, kh. For example, khana. Khana means to eat something. Okay, when you write khana, you use ka with the chashmi hai or ka and ha that gives the sound kh, kh, khana. Our last letter is gaf. Gaf with dokash and then the chashmi hai. Again, we will join these two letters together. G, half shape of G and then the chashmi hai. When these two letters are joined together, we pronounce gh, gh, like ghar. Ghar means home. When you say or write ghar, we use these two letters together. Okay, we look at how important is Do Chashmi Hai. That's why this is very important to learn how to write it and with which letter Do Chashmi Hai is used. I hope this lesson is helpful for you for your learning Urdu. See you in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.